Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today we will be talking about a possible Fakey setup that occurred on the Euro-USD. If we look at the Euro-USD chart, we have a Fakey setup that developed last week. We have a mother candle, an inside bar, another inside bar. Then the price fell and broke the mother candle, returned back into it to give us a Fakey setup. With this setup, we are expecting price to move higher, at least to this present resistance. And we'll go back to our daily time frame. We will also see a possible pin bar that formed last Friday at a critical support. This point has been acting as support for a very long time, and now price bounce on it and give us a bullish setup for us to move from the current price of 0933. In the coming days, we are expecting price to get to 1.1434. The only obstacle we'll be meeting on the road are just minor resistance. Like this point, there is a resistance here which I believe price should probe, retest and move upward. As time goes on, this place may act as resistance as well. So price will find its way through, retest it, move. Somehow price should get to this point. So I will advise us traders, henceforth we'll go to our lower time frame and keep searching for reason to buy this setup. On the Euro-USD, we'll keep buying until we get to 1.1434, unless otherwise we find a bearish setup again that will counter this present setup. If we look critically at the weekly, we will notice this same setup that give us a bullish bias is the same setup that sent the British pound Japanese yen into the health. We have a Fakey setup at this point as well. We have a Fakey setup here. We have a mother candle, inside bar. Price broke up and returned back into it, and before we know what occurred, price fell. We saw this setup. We have a TP here, we have another TP here, and price continued to fall. At this point, anything could happen. I don't expect price to keep falling. Possible we find a bullish setup here to take us back to this point invariably. But what we are concerned about presently is the Euro-USD that just give us a fresh setup that should take us to 1.1434 in the meantime. If price could possibly break this resistance, because this resistance is a very strong resistance, price has been reacting at this point for a very long time. Price broke and returned back into it to give us a false break. It still acts. That is why we are saying price should get to this point, and we wait for whatever happen at this point. Maybe price will fall or break, retest and move upward again. We don't know until then. But this current setup, we believe should take us to 1.1434 in the meantime. So traders, As you can see, I'm in this trade already. I want us to trade safe. You are the CEO of your trade. Please manage your trade properly. I remain Leo Power from FTA Forex Trade Alerts on WhatsApp. Goodbye for now.